Hey guys, welcome everyone. This is Monday, March 23rd. This is a tutorial video about how to turn in assignments on this Google website. When you turn in assignments on this site, it will automatically turn them in on Google Classroom. I may be doing tutorials on different things, so just make sure you read the directions for that day's assignment. And if there's a how-to video, make sure you watch the how-to video before beginning. All right, so we are on the Monday page. Everybody knows in order to get to this site, you had to go through Google Classroom. This is where you'll be going every single day for science class. So again, we're on the Monday site. We scroll down. Here's the video that you are currently watching where my mouse is. If you continue to scroll down, okay, it says Sun, Winds, Ocean Currents Reading. Click me. Okay, so it says use the reading to work on the linked assignment below. Each assignment is linked by class period. Make sure to click on the correct class period or it will not work. So again, guys, right here is the reading. Look where my mouse is. If I click on this link, it takes me to the reading. If you look down here, these are links per class period. If you click on the wrong class period, it will send you to the wrong Google Classroom and it will not allow you to work on the assignment. So again, make sure you are clicking on the correct classroom. So I'm going to show you all how to use the reading, that's right here where my mouse is, and how to submit assignments. Okay, so here's the reading. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. If you notice on the top right, it opened a brand new tab. Oh, ignore that. It says Sun, Winds, and Ocean Currents in the top right tab. Look where my mouse is, and then here's the reading. This is a view-only reading, so you should not be able to edit it. Okay, this is the reading for today's assignment. Now, I want you to see something. I have two tabs open. Okay, this is the reading. The Google website has not closed. Here's the website. I'm going to do that one more time. Look at the tab. This is the website we're on. Here's the reading. I'm going to go back to the website. Friendly reminder, that's the reading you're going to use to do the assignment. The assignment is, again, broken down into class periods. So let's say I'm in first period. I'm going to click on first period. If you noticed, there's now three tabs open. There's the website, there's the reading, and then here is your assignment. Now, when you click on your class period, this is your individual assignment. It says your name. Look at where my mouse is. It says Samantha Fish. This is my assignment. It says, according to the directions, use the reading found on the site to complete this assignment. Remember that all assignments will be found through the site. Okay, so I'm going to click on this assignment. Okay, I know there's a lot of tabs opening up at the top. Technically, you can close this one. But look, see how to open the assignment? So it says important message. Look at where my cursor is, right here. Type your answers in the boxes. This is your individual copy and no one else can type but you. When you're done, make sure to turn in this assignment. The turn in button is in the top right corner. I want everybody to follow my mouse. Look where my mouse is on the screen. I'm moving up to the right where it says turn in. This is your copy. This is your copy of the assignment. You're going to use the reading. Here's the reading. You're going to use the reading to complete this assignment. Now, if you don't want to toggle back and forth like I am, have to go to the reading, then the assignment, what you can do is pull the tab out. If you know how to do this, you can shrink it. You should be able to do this, I believe, on Google Chromebooks, okay, or on a computer. Now, if you're using your phone, this may be a little different for you. But if you've noticed, I'm putting two windows up at the same time, so I don't have to toggle back and forth between the reading and the assignment. Okay. This will make it a lot easier and you'll get the assignment done faster. Now again, if you're using your phone and you can't do this, that's okay. All right. So this is where I'll type my answers. It says, which part of Earth receives the most energy and the least energy? This is question 1. It says it can be found in paragraph 1. So what you'll do is you'll read the first paragraph. You come over here and you'll type in your answer. The part of Earth that has the most energy is ... the part of Earth that has the least energy is ... Then you go to the next question. Okay, this is still in paragraph 1, so make sure you completely read paragraph 1 before answering questions 1 through 5. They're all in paragraph 1. So let's say I'm done typing in all my answers, right? I completed the entire assignment. I'm done typing in all my answers. I want you to follow my mouse. I'm going to the top right corner where it says turn in. I click it. I know it opens up a lot of tabs at the top, but it says turn in your work, and then you click turn in. And voila, it says turned in. And if there's something you messed up on, you can always unsubmit it and resubmit it. But your assignment for Monday is turned in once you do that. Thank you for listening to my tutorial. If you still have any questions whatsoever, I will be available every day on Google Hangouts. Remember, the link to that is on the Google website. Okay, or you can always direct message me through email or a separate Google Hangout on the side. Thank you guys.